When Carlton got his firearm license, he wanted to have exceptional training. And that's where I sent him.
And as a big contractor with money, him by himself the best candidate for training.
It had nothing to do with money. He's in a high-risk business, and we just wanted to make sure he could protect himself. Plus, that training is basic in comparison to us. But it can do enough damage if that person decides to go rogue.
But Cynthia, that is what he is now. Rogue.
Which is why your focus can't be Miranda. It has to be Carlton. You have to talk him down and get him to tell you where Celine is.
Him not gonna take that chance there. Cause if we get to her, him a gonna be at risk. And him know that.
And this is where you show that you have tactical training. It's time for you to show up, Angie.
That's going to be very challenging. Now that we have certain access to certain resources.
Find a way. You have to stop being Bubbles, the field agent, and become Angie, the chess player.
I trail him the other night.
Not from your regular vehicle, I hope.
Come on, Cynthia. Wanna train me better than that. Plus, him did see me earlier in the other night. So I had to be very cautious.
You find out where he's staying?
Not exact location. Me never want to arouse him suspicion. But the area, I know.
You know he's gonna keep moving. Because he has a lot of properties between here and Ocherius and Montego Bay.
Yeah. If we could have get access to the surveillance team, so we could have get some camera links.
Not going to happen. You can't trust anybody on the team at this time. You're just going to have to outsource that link.
I think. I have the person for the task.
I don't want to. Just make sure it stays quiet and off the grid.
I will.
Angie, I'm not talking the kind of quiet where you're running around with a weapon in your hand. I'm talking deep sleep quiet.
Understand.
So, what's the plan?
Find Celine, reason with her, and try to appeal to our agent side.
She's in trouble. And the longer she stays out, is the harder it's going to be to bring her back.
I know.
So how's David dealing with this?
Not well. I had to forcibly take over the agency.
What happened?
He might go after Daly.
Go after Daly? Why?
He thinks Daly is responsible for Ghost and Blackout.
What? Please tell me I'm not deploying nobody to deal with that operation.
Roxy said 2 deep sleepers were activated.
When?
Almost a week ago.
This keeps getting worse.
And him seemed to have a number of deep sleepers that we don't know about.
Exactly. Do we have the names?
Stinger and Wasp.
Angie, listen. We can't lose this agency. And we have to save David from himself. If Daly is assassinated, that puts the spotlight on us. We have to stop this.
I'm gonna do everything in my power, Cynthia.
This is your chance to prove yourself as a leader. The future of the agency is in your hands.
Right now, I wish you never said that.
You have my full support. But Angie, you have to be discreet. Here.
Is this...
Yes. The thumb drive that Zero had, the same one Raymond took from him. It was given to me.
What upon this?
Encrypted bank accounts and personal information on deep sleepers and nightmares. I don't know, maybe you can find some information on Wasp and Stinger that can help you to locate them.
I'm gonna jump on this right away. I just have one more favor for ask.
You're running out of favors, you know.
If the minister not have no evidence to shut down the agency, why you not give me an earlier date for reinstate the agents?
You really think it's that easy? That's a tall order, you know, Angie.
Legally, we cannot be shut down indefinitely. Worse if him now no evidence to prove that we operate illegal.
I'll mention it. But expect him to make a move.
I know. And it will be a desperate one. That will expose him a little bit more.
What's your angle?
Possible gun runnings and an extramarital affair.
Angie, be very careful.
I will. Thanks again, Cynthia.
Angie, remember there's a mole in the organization. Be careful who you trust.
Only my two juniors I have around me. I'ma trust them completely.
Okay.